What you doing?
Whoops.
What you doing there, Tommy?
I'm washing the knife.
You doing the dishes?
I'm washing the knife.
Washing the knife, huh?
And I wash the fruits.
Are they all clean now?
Yeah. Now I'm washing tomatoes.
They're all clean. You don't need to wash them. All clean. Good job.
I'm eating.
Okay, go sit at your table and I'll get them for you, okay?
Okay, so one and two.
You can sit on the stool, sure.
Yeah, sit on the floor.
Okay. Let me get your bowl.
Oh. I dumped it.
Oh. No. We need to wash them.